Dennis Miles Sr. I'm president of EMS Incorporated.
I'm Marilyn Miles, and I'm one of the owners of Electronic Manufacturing Solutions.
My name is Dennis Miles Jr. I'm the quality manager and vice president at EMS. EMS started with one simple cable assembly built back in my parents' back bedroom.
From there, we moved it into a 1,500 square foot facility. After about 3 years, we expanded that by another 1,500 square feet. In year 6, we expanded another 6,500 square feet, and we finished that off in January of 2016 with another 13,000. So today, we have 25,000 square feet.
The company has evolved over the years in a dramatic pace. We have more than doubled just about every year that we've been in business.
We currently have 65 employees working at EMS.
EMS is a full-service contract manufacturer. We offer circuit board assembly. We offer cable and harness. We do full turnkey box build. We also are able to help with design for new opportunities, new projects.
Today we have over 2,000 unique assemblies that we build.
I think EMS is very different from the majority of our competitors out there. First and foremost, we're a small family-owned business. We genuinely care about our customers.
I believe customer service makes a company stand out above the rest.
EMS offers the highest level of customer service. Without our customers, EMS doesn't exist.
We keep EMS on the absolute cutting edge of technology. We have the absolute best equipment for the customers that we service. We stay abreast of what's going on in our industry. We truly care about providing a cost-effective solution for all of our customers.
EMS's dedication to quality and customer service puts us miles ahead of the competition.